Hello there, and in this video we are on the west coast of Guernsey in the Channel Islands. It is a really windy day out there, and as usual you can see I'm walking Lily the dog and we are round the coast. And I'll tell you what, the wind was gusting really hard, and I shot this footage because I know there's a lot of people out there who don't necessarily live by the sea in the UK and all around the world, and I want to show the beautiful stunning sea here. Now it is very windy, although you can't really tell that on the screen, and I was doing my best job not to shake the camera, so I hope it pays off here. But the wind was coming straight in on the west coast. The sun was out and it was beautiful on the sea, especially the white bits of the ocean there you can see really reflect nicely. And I've done some footage of the best I can where I was walking. I live very close to here, about 2 minutes away. And as most of you know, if you watched my videos before, I shoot a lot of footage around the coast. So if you're interested what it's like living on an island and what island life is like, we're only 25 square miles in size, remember to subscribe to this channel. Anyway, I'm going to let you get on. There's some great footage of the big waves in this video. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you again next time.